Boeing shared its plans with the FAA on how it'll fix certain safety and quality issues. The FAA ordered this plan after a door panel blew off of an Alaska Airlines plane back in January. The company's detailed plan includes weekly meetings between Boeing and the FAA, more inspectors at Boeing facilities, and a limit on plane production over at least the next several months. Boeing told the FAA it has enhanced employee training, increased internal audits, and its system for employees to report safety concerns.
Bottom line, we will continue to make sure every airplane that comes off the line is safe and reliable, regardless of how many planes Boeing builds.
The FAA also plans to meet with the outgoing CEO quarterly and conduct monthly reviews. Now, the FAA is also set to investigate after two planes almost collided at Reagan National Airport yesterday morning. An American Airlines pilot cleared for takeoff had to slam on the brakes as another plane was preparing to land on an intersecting runway. That American Airlines flight was traveling roughly 110 miles an hour. The private King Air flight, who was told to go around, told air traffic control it was too late. The two planes were within 1,300 feet of each other, and thankfully no one was hurt on either plane.